Last week we left Jaiden and went towards Townsville to go snorkeling at Magnetic Island. We stopped overnight at a free camp in Charters Towers.
So, for the first time in 10 months, what can we see, Jaiden?
Ocean!
The ocean! Woohoo!
Woo!
So we're down at this strand. We've come down, apparently there's a water park down here somewhere. I have no idea where. So we're just kind of having a look around at the moment. Jaiden and I have noticed how different it is to be suddenly back in a city and have shops and cafes and cars and traffic lights all around us. It's very different, isn't it?
Yes.
But what are we coming here to do?
Snorkeling!
We're coming here to go across to Magnetic Island to go snorkeling, so it'll be worth it.
We were walking along and we saw this huge black cockatoo just standing there.
Holy guacamole, that's humongous.
I had some wings for lunch and they were so yummy and messy. Today we are going to go and do some snorkeling
Where are we going to do snorkeling?
at Magnetic Island.
Alright, are we swimming across to Magnetic Island?
No, we're taking the ferry.
And we're going to walk around Magnetic Island?
No, we're going to have a topless car. Daddy wanted a moke.
I wanted a mini moke. The company used to do mini mokes, but they don't do mini mokes anymore. And I think mini mokes are one of the coolest things in the world. So I wanted a mini moke. So instead we have a little Daihatsu thing with no roof. But Jaiden's very excited to go on the ferry.
Yes.
And to go in the car.
Yes.
And to go snorkeling.
My first ever topless car.
First ever topless car. So I'm going to have to take my top off so I can be in the car. So we're on our way to the ferry now. There's been a huge, well not a huge amount. Oh, here comes an ambulance.
Wait, why isn't he going to the red?
Because that person hadn't stopped. We made it, buddy.
Yes.
We literally ran in as they were closing the doors. There goes the other one.
Wait, you could just wait for that one.
Yeah, I don't know, maybe. Alright, we're leaving Townsville now.
Yeah.
We'll be there in 20 minutes.
So we've made it and we're just going to get a topless car.
You can hire these little clown cars from a company called Tropical Topless over on Magnetic Island.
Alright, so we've got the topless car.
Got the topless car. We're on the road.
Yeah.
How's it feel?
Good actually.
It feels good?
Nice smooth ride.
It is pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, we're cruising in our topless car. Oh look, JJ. Look out here.
I believe this is where we're going to go snorkeling.
I reckon it might be.
So Daddy, when we were heading up, he did flat to the floor on what gear? There's
Third
actually
gear or something.
third gear.
And we were going so fast, weren't we?
Yeah.
No, we weren't.
You said we were going so fast.
I was joking.
Oh.
Go through some water?
No. I don't want water.
We hired our snorkeling gear from a company called Pleasure Divers. They were super helpful and pointed us in the right direction.
Alright, so we've got our snorkeling stuff.
Alright, so we're down here at Jeffrey Bay.
Yeah.
Got all our snorkeling gear.
Yeah.
All suited up. Jaiden's getting suited up. And this is where we're heading out to. I must say, I'm pretty excited. Jaiden, pretty excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Looking pretty swish on our car there?
Yeah.
Alright. Next time you see us, we'll be underwater.
At the start, I was a bit nervous because I have never been in deep water. My dad told me to calm down and focus on slowing down my breath, which helped a lot. I was swimming along and then all of a sudden the coral appeared and I was very surprised. The coral is not very colourful because of coral bleaching. Coral bleaching happens because of the rising sea temperature, which is caused by global warming. It was so cool to be able to swim around all the fish and touch all the different coral. Some was hard and some was soft. Just gone for a snorkel.
How was it, mate?
Good. I had the best luck. I saw 3 eels.
Yeah. So lots of fish, lots of nice coral.
Yeah. We saw 2 big white corals.
Yeah, they were really cool, weren't they?
Yeah. And we also
Some big fish, lots of small fish.
We saw that one big fish when we both went under.
Uh-huh.
And we're off to get some food.
Off to get some food and then we'll come back and do some more.
Yeah. And go to the shipwreck.
It was good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Jaiden did very well. He got a little bit worried on the way out. He kind of stopped and said he wanted to go back. I said, no, let's keep going, mate, keep going. And he kept going, got out there. Once he relaxed, you did amazingly, didn't you?
When I looked down, my mind was like...
Alright, we'll come to a little cafe, get some fish and salad for lunch, fill us back up and then we'll go back and do some more.
Yeah. I had some fish with lemon and pepper sauce and this garden salad that he has to say.
After lunch, we jumped back into our clown car and did some exploring around the island before heading back to do a bit more snorkeling. Alright, we finished our second session. How was that?
Good.
Enjoy it?
Yes.
It was pretty boring, wasn't it?
It was amazing.
That's
So
good.
big fish. When we were walking up the way up, I did some flashbacks of me.
You did? You went chasing some of the big fish underwater?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There was one that was like, do, 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 do. Oh, hi. Can you go away? No. I just went chasing after him.
You did. It was very cool.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go get this scuba gear back.
Yeah. In a Tropical Topless Car.
True that. Alright.
Alright, that's it for this time. See you later.
On the ferry ride back, I had a chance to sit and digest what Jaiden had just achieved. Jaiden is a child who used to hate the ocean, refused to learn to swim, and wouldn't even stick his head underwater. Watching him dive down and begin to explore this new world was something I'll never forget. I've spent a long time teaching Jaiden that there's a whole lot of fun and excitement that exists just the other side of his comfort zone. To see him overcome his fears and have an unforgettable experience was very special indeed. I was one proud dad.
Stay tuned for next week's episode as we explore Townsville.